How to fix Twitter follower glitch on an Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter follower glitch on an Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again, and here just type Twitter and then click on it and go to storage and click clear cache, and after that just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Twitter. So just open Play Store and check if there is an update here, and then just click update, and after that restart your phone and try again, and you will find that your problem have been fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.